Alright, welcome to a lesson on surface area of pyramids and cones. I'm going to apologize now if my writing's a little sloppy. This video hurt my hand working outside, but got to do this video regardless, so I'll do my best to keep it neat and I'll erase anything that I need to. So if there's a random pause somewhere, that's me fixing a mistake. So you've done surface area of prisms and cylinders. Now we're going to do pyramids and cones. So first we're going to look at the pyramid. So here are the pyramid parts. So on the left I drew a pyramid, and it is a rectangular pyramid. You see the vertex, or all those white dots, is that white dot there. The height goes directly from the vertex that makes a right angle with the base, and the base is the bottom of the pyramid. Now all the others, as you know, are faces. And then over here I drew another picture that has the slant height of the pyramid, and the slant height is different than the height. It's the height of one of those triangle faces, and we represent slant height with that little L that I have below it. So here's the surface area formula we're going to use to find the surface area of our pyramids. It says surface area equals the area of the base plus 1/2 times perimeter times slant height. Or, to make it smaller, surface area equals B plus 1/2 PL. So I have an example I'm going to do here with you. I have a triangular pyramid. The base is a right triangle. I forgot to draw that little right triangle there. There we go. With 3, 4, and 5 of the sides, and then the slant height is 6, and it's all in inches. So its surface area equals area base plus 1/2 perimeter times slant height. So area of the base, so surface area equals, it's a triangle. We know a triangle is 1/2 times the base and the height. So it's going to be 1/2 times 3 times 4 plus, we have another 1/2 in there, times the perimeter. So 3 plus 4 plus 5 makes 12 times 6, which is the slant height. And then what we do is we're going to plug that into a calculator. We plug that into the calculator, and I suggest that you put these in parentheses 2 before you plug it into the calculator. You get 42 inches squared. So the surface area of that pyramid is 42 inches squared. So here I have 2 examples that I would like for you to try on your own. So go ahead, pause the video, and try those now. Okay, and here are the broken down solutions to those problems. Go ahead and check your work with mine. If you have questions, ask. Make sure I did it right. So now we're going to talk about the cone, and here we have cone parts. So in the cone does have a vertex as well. The cone has a slant height. That is basically the sides of the cone, if you want to call them sides. And then the height goes from the vertex down to the base, and the base is and makes that right angle again, and the base is a circle. So the base is a circle, and the height and the radius meet at that center of that circle. So it's nice though that the base is a circle, because as you'll see with your pyramids, it makes the formula a little bit easier because you don't have all these different bases. So the surface area of a cone is the area base plus pi times radius times slant height. So here I'm going to go ahead and do an example with you. I have a cone, slant height of 4 feet, and a diameter of 6 feet. So if the diameter is 6 feet, that means that the radius will be 3 feet. So let's write that there so I don't forget. So surface area equals, now if you recall, the area of a circle is pi r squared. So we have surface area equals pi r squared plus pi times radius times slant height. So you could actually copy this down if you want in your notes as your cone surface area formula. So surface area equals pi times 3 squared plus pi times 3 times 4. We plug all that in our calculator, and after some rounding, you will see that you get 66 feet squared. Now I know it came out to 65.97. Well, I'm going to round all these to the tenths, so I look here at the 7. 7 makes that round up, which makes that 5 round up. So we're going to keep that 66 feet squared. Alright, now here I have 2 cones for you to find the surface area for, so go ahead, pause the video, and solve those now. And here we go. Here's the work for that. Please again check your answers with mine as I triple check mine to make sure that I wrote the right units. I did. After you do that, this video is done.